Here's a short video on how your clients can upload documents to the Expert Pro client portal using a PIN. When you send your client a document request directly, they will receive a PIN to upload their documents if they do not have existing client portal credentials. Your client will only have existing client portal credentials if they have started or completed an online application with you. When you send your client a request for documents, they will receive an email with a PIN and a link to upload documents. They must click on the Upload Documents button, and they will be redirected to this page. Here, they must enter the PIN enclosed within the email. Once they enter the value, they will have to click on Verify. Your client will then be prompted to update their PIN for security purposes. Here, your client must choose a new 4-digit PIN, which they can use for future documents requests. It is important for your client to remember this PIN. Once your client enters their new PIN and clicks on Save, they will be redirected to the page where they can upload their documents. When they click on the document type, they will see an option to upload their documents. When they click on Upload, they must select the documents from their desktop and click on Open. Once they upload the document, you will be able to view it directly within the application on your broker portal, and you can review it and mark it as fulfilled. That's how your client can upload documents using the client portal on Expert Pro.